finally shoot got over. Do you wanna know the time? Let me check. Where's the time? 5:42 a.m. I am dead tired right now for obvious reasons, but because I'm feeling like talking, I don't know. My eyes are paining. I'm not able to open my eyes, but still, I don't know where this energy is coming from. But let me switch off this fan, yaar. Today I actually did not take that much of time. Yesterday I was trying a lot of things in the video, so that took time, and then my battery died down. I had to wait till it gets charged. But today none of those things happen, and once I started shooting, things were very smooth. But before I started shooting, what happened at last moment, I got confused about the dress that I want to wear for this video, for this look, whatever I decided earlier. I was no more sure about that, so I literally tried everything, every Indian wear that I have right here with me. But for some dresses, I was not getting matching dupatta. Some kurta was not that good for the theme of this video, Diwali video. It was not that festive, and two of my dresses, which were actually good and I was happy to wear them, they did not fit me. I don't know. I was thinking I'm losing weight, and these used to fit me earlier. I don't know what happened. I don't know. So there was a time when I thought I will not be able to shoot today's video, and when everything starts getting wrong, you just feel like close this. At one moment I literally decided to just sleep or maybe edit my videos and not shoot today, because it was already 1:32ish, and I did not even start. I did not know what to wear and all of that. Then I was like, if I don't shoot today, I will feel terrible in the morning. And when you plan something and then it doesn't happen, you are like. But then I just picked this up, wore this, and paired it with this dupatta, and it was actually looking nice. Like, yeah. Oh, bhai. Yeah, see. It is looking good. So yeah, I changed into this, and I immediately felt like I can wear this for my today's video. And yeah, that's how I started. Wait, I'll show you piled up clothes on my bed that I tried for this video. These are all the clothes that I tried. See how many I tried. I even tried this sari. This is my mom's sari, which is so beautiful, but I did not have like a good blouse or bralette, anything to pair with this. On the room condition update, it is more messier than it was earlier, because I added a new pile of clothes today. And rest is same, because I've not done anything in this room today. I was on bed whole day, and I was editing and watching match. I wanted to get my room cleaned, because although I'm going home for Diwali, but Diwali is all about cleanliness and good vibes and everything. I can't do anything about this room today. I don't know. Also, I'm loving today's makeup, man. I always think that I'm not very creative, and I'm not like very spontaneous. You tell me to do makeup and I'll do something. Matlab, I can do, but when you are making videos and stuff, you need to come out with different looks, different makeup and everything. And I always get nervous. I always think that I'm not very creative, this and that. But that's not true, because a lot of times I have just sat down with zero look in my mind, and whatever I do, it just turns out to be so beautiful. Like today, I had no clue. Like, come on, I was not even sure of what I was wearing. I just started with the flow. The only thing was I wanted to create something different from what I did yesterday, because I just want to give variety. You know, different. There are different people, and there are different makeup choices. So when someone is watching my video, they should get variety with each video. I don't know, but I just love this look. I mean, this is so much wearable and so much my look. And everything with black bindi. I love it. I love wearing bindi, and if it is black, it is like sone pe suhaga. I literally love wearing bindi, and I don't know what happened to my hair. I did not wash them today, and still they are so good. Also, I'm vlogging on my phone because camera is on bada wala tripod. I'm not feeling like adjusting it and everything for vlogs. So yeah. Alright, I'm just going to click some selfies, although I have tons of photos and videos today, but still I'm going to click few pictures on my phone and I'll remove everything and go back to bed. To keep everything in their places so that when I wake up, things are not ugly as they are right now. It's so weird. I almost dropped this foundation, and this has like glass bottle. I have broken a lot of makeup lately. I cannot afford more. No. I was saying I never keep my room messier. After filming every video, I thoroughly clean my room, because when you are shooting a video, room gets messier. You throw clothes, products, this and that here and there, and then this camera, light setup, everything. But I do clean it right after I'm done with the video. But because yesterday I got done so late and I did not have energy to keep everything back, I just dropped this. These two, first and third color, they have come off, and thankfully I don't use these two colors, the second and this fourth. Wait, yeah, oh, camera is here. All the time I was looking there. Okay, so these are the two colors that I use for filling my eyebrows, and they are intact. The ones that I don't use, those have chip off, and obviously this is gone. Hey guys, I can't believe November is already here. Time is just flying by. मतलब month, एक month के बाद एक month ऐसे निकला जा रहा है, and the whole year is over. Oh my god, it is very distressing. Also, my birthday is coming in few days, and I just feel this weirdness around my birthday. I don't know. They say age is a number, but still, bro, I'm this year old now, and all of that. And yeah, I don't wait for my birthday. I'm not that excited. I don't know what I feel, but definitely I don't feel excited. And so I'm having first meal of the day. What's the time? It's almost 3. So having my first meal. I woke up around 12:30. Yeah, I slept at 7 and then woke up at 12:30. And then I was doing my normal routine, having warm water, and then I started making breakfast for myself. I've made these macaronis. I love cooking and having macaroni. These are semolina wali macaroni, matlab suji wali, it's not maida. So because I avoid maida, I try to avoid maida as much as I can. And yeah, I don't think any of my food items have maida, like the regular food items. That's that. And coffee, only coffee can wake me up. It's so good. Nice. This is also so yum. Making and having breakfast is kind of a therapy for me. Literally, it just wakes me from inside and I just feel good. If I enjoy my breakfast time, like whole cooking and having it finally, if I enjoy it, I just feel my day is good and I feel energetic and I feel good in the morning. But those days when I'm not feeling well, I don't feel like cooking or whatever is the mood, then definitely my whole day would be like very. But so yeah, breakfast for me is very important, especially in these 2 years, because before that I didn't know most of the things that I cook now, and now also I don't know a lot of things. I can just make good breakfast items like 5 6 that I know. And yeah, so especially in this lockdown period, breakfast time is something very special or kind of a me time for me. Or uske pehle, when I used to go to office, my breakfast time was never there at all, because I would wake up late and then I would rush to office. While I'm on my way, I would order something, poha or some sandwiches, and by the time I'll reach office, breakfast would reach and I'll have it. So it's not like very peaceful and very me time kind of thing. So yeah. So when I'll continue going to office, I think I have to wake up on time so that I have time to make breakfast and then have it. Yeah, let's see. I don't know when my offices are opening, but just a thought. Today's plan is editing for sure, because I have to put up a video and I have shot a lot of content, like Instagram content as well, in these 2 days, and I have to edit them and put them on time, otherwise it doesn't make sense to put them afterwards. Uske baad, whole story, my camera battery died and my phone is back for vlogging. I did not charge the battery after yesterday's shoot. मुझे याद ही नहीं आया कि व्लॉगिंग करनी है. आई जस्ट थॉट कि पूरा दिन पड़ा हुआ है, रात में शूट करूँ. Anyway, I was saying कि I wanted to shoot some normal YouTube videos because I'm going home and I just want to be free for a few weeks at least. And I don't want to shoot there because yeah, I think my room is more comfortable, and I have everything here, like all the products, everything that I use is here. When I go there, I just carry very selected ones, and that is the reason I'm not able to do a lot of videos that I have in here, but I don't have products for them. So yeah, so I was planning to shoot 3 quick videos for YouTube, and I thought I would shoot them today. I was planning to shoot these videos कल और परसों में along with दिवाली videos, but नहीं हुआ क्योंकि already बहुत late हो गया था. तो अब I have आज का दिन और कल का दिन आधा, because my flight is in evening. But I don't think I'll be able to shoot, but I'm not feeling like shooting today. I don't know, रात तक प्लान चेंज हो गया तो आई माइट शूट देम. अब मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा. ऑल्सो दिस आई इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक पेनिंग. इट फील्स देयर इज समथिंग इन हेयर. Or lens, I don't think I'll be able to wear. Although the lens that I wear, they are very comfortable and they don't itch, they don't cause any irritation. They are good. But you know, sometimes your eyes just start acting up, and with lashes and lenses and the light directly in here, a strong light, and then you're also putting makeup, so sometimes your kajal eyelash glue gets into your eyes, and yeah, everything together just makes your eyes a little more sensitive. So I think that is what happened. परसों के शूट के बाद दिस आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग गुड बिकॉज आई वॉज फीलिंग सम काइंड ऑफ पेन इन इनर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ माई दिस आई फेल्ट समथिंग सिमिलर अर्लियर ऑल्सो, एंड उसमें लैश लगाना becomes difficult, but I think this eye yesterday was good. It did not hamper anything, so it was good and it was not paining. It was good, but this eye I can feel it today after kal ka shoot. I'm just feeling this very heavy, and yeah, so I think I should leave my eyes like that. Even if I plan to shoot videos रात तक अगर ऐसा plan बना तो I'll be keeping everything very simple so that I don't have to put anything on my eyes that would make them more uncomfortable. On Monday has, so workout is also there. I work out from Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday I take off because A, it's weekend, and B, in normal times also I shoot or edit or do any extra work, and I have to rest, of course, it's weekend, so I try not to burden my body, and I just take off. But it's Monday, and I have to work out. Normally I start working around 4:30 5 in normal days, but अभी already 3 बज गया है, and I'm having my breakfast, which is kind of heavy. It's not light, so I don't think I'll be able to do at 4, but definitely 5:30 say something. Videos का, if I don't do videos today, I'll start packing so that कल I can shoot videos, because those will not take much time. अगर पैकिंग होगा तो it will be easier.